everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to CMC Markets account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into CMC Markets, go ahead and open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.cmcmarkets.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official site of CMC Markets. CMC Markets is a UK-based financial services company that offers online trading in shares, spread betting, contracts for difference, and foreign exchange across world markets. To log in and access your online account, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right. On the next page, select if you'd like to log into your spread betting account or CFD account and click the login button right next to the menu. Enter your credentials in the login area by starting off with an email address in the first text box. On the next field, type in the correct password associated with the account. If you don't remember your password during logging in, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Password link. If you've not yet signed up for an account for CMC Markets, go ahead and select either the live option or demo option and follow the registration process till the end. After filling in your credentials correct, click the login button and you'll be able to get access to your CMC Markets account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.